Hello, my name is April Moore and I am pleased to be your instructor for CIT105. This video will show you how to get around in our course. When you first enter the course, you will see our announcements page, which is what you're viewing right now. So I have a welcome announcement, when the first assignment is due, and what exactly you will do to complete the first assignment. Make sure you log on at least 3 times a week to review the course announcements. The syllabus is a link to our course syllabus. The course schedule lists all of our due dates. Here's a copy. Note that this is not a self-paced class. There are specific due dates. The links to the assignments are not active after the due date has passed, which means if you do not submit according to these due dates, you must email me and let me know your extenuating circumstance that prevented you from submitting on time. Not knowing a due date is not an extenuating circumstance. And I understand things come up. Make sure that you notify me, and if I approve, then I can reopen the assignment so that you can submit it. On the schedule, you will see the due dates for all of the assignments and exactly what you will do and the number of points that you can earn. Make sure to write these dates down on your own calendar. Next, I have a link to the instructions. So included here are the very detailed assignment instructions, and I will pull up a copy here. So very detailed instructions on how to complete your first assignment. All assignments other than the first assignment are completed at McGraw-Hill's SimNet site. So I have instructions on how to complete the first assignments, which are called computer concepts. Then for each of the Office products, Word, Excel, Access, and PowerPoint, I have instructions for those. I have best practices, how to view your grades. So if you scroll through here, you will see how to complete the first assignment. There's also a rubric that I'm using to grade your first discussion board posting, and you can see that here, and I show you how to access that so you know exactly how you'll be graded. And then there's a video on how to register at SimNet. So after you register, then you'll be ready to complete the first assignment, which is a quiz on the syllabus and the schedule and the assignment instructions. So here's information on the first assignment quiz completed at SimNet, and it's worth 20 points. There's a 10-question quiz. So this shows you how to complete that assignment. So every assignment is very detailed. All the instructions are listed here in the assignment instructions document. So here again, I'm in the instructions link. We just pulled up the assignment instructions. This video that you're watching, here is some more information on how to register at SimNet and a video on the first assignment quiz. Here are some more videos on how to complete your assignments at SimNet. Next, we have the assignments link. There's a folder that you can see here for every assignment. On the outside of the folder, you will see exactly what you will do and the points and the due date. Then within each of these folders, you will have direct links to that particular assignment. So for the chapter 1, when you click on the link to go into SimNet, you will also see the SimNet homepage, and here are links to those assignments. So this tells you exactly what you'll do. It'll say a check mark here after you've completed it. You will click Open Simbook and you will complete the work within Simbook. When you get down to the application, so Word, for example, you will have a Simbook and 2 projects. So you have a project skill review and a project called Challenge Yourself. So again, you'll see these at the SimNet website. So Simbook, which is similar to what you will have completed for the concepts chapters, and then you have projects. When you click on the projects link, you will download this file that says start file, and then here are the instructions. If you're using a Mac, you can switch over to the Mac instructions. And these are all the different things that you will do. You have 2 attempts for each of the projects. So if on your first attempt you didn't score as highly as you would have liked, make sure that you go back and complete that again. Make note of what you missed, and then you can make corrections on your second attempt to hopefully earn full points. My grades will show you all of the different assignments that you will complete during the semester on the left-hand side, along with the due date, and on the right-hand side is where you will see your score. So right now you see just a dash, but after you complete it, then your score will be listed there. So these are all worth 10 points until we get down into the projects, and then you can see they're worth more points. After you complete each assignment at Simbook, your grade is supposed to automatically transfer into the Blackboard gradebook, but if you don't see your score in Blackboard within 3 hours, make sure that you notify me. You will also see your score at SimNet. SimNet has a gradebook. As long as you see your score in SimNet, then if there's a problem with the score coming into the Blackboard gradebook, I can take care of it. So then we have discussion board. So there's one called Getting to Know You. This is part of your first assignment, and there is a rubric so that you know how you'll be graded. I have instructions on this in the first assignment instructions document, and this tells you what you will actually post. If you have questions on any of the assignments, then you can use the appropriate discussion board to post your questions. The course email link you will use if you need to contact me with information about something of a more personal nature. So if you were sick and you couldn't submit your work, then you would email me instead of posting that in the discussion board. Here's a link for SimNet Help and a link for Blackboard Help and a direct link to SimNet, but I put that at the bottom because I want you to click on the assignment links. So click on whatever the assignment is, and then click on the SimNet link within the assignment area. This concludes my video introduction on CIT 105, and I hope you have an awesome semester. Just make sure to submit all of your assignments by the scheduled due date, and I know that you will do great in this class.